Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a girl's lips with a pencil. Lips are a crucial part of any portrait because they can convey so many emotions and subtleties of character. You can find the link to my course and other useful materials in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That way we can always stay connected and I can help you improve your art. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Enjoy the video and happy drawing. Let's start with the most important part. Drawing lips can seem tricky because of their shape and volume. We don't see lips as just a line, they're a complex combination of curves, shadows, and highlights that give them depth. It's essential to learn how to depict them realistically so as not to disrupt the overall harmony of the face. Step 1. Sketching the guideline axis. First, I start by sketching the guideline axis. This helps establish the symmetry and position of the lips relative to other parts of the face, particularly the nose and chin. Using light strokes, I create a vertical line that divides the face into two equal parts, along with a horizontal line marking where the lips meet. Step 2. Drawing circles for the lip structure. This is my favorite method. Imagine the upper lip as two small circles where the lip makes its curves. These circles help establish the right shape and volume. For the lower lip, I draw one slightly larger circle to show its softer and fuller shape. Step 3. Drawing the lip contour. Now, using the circles as a guide, I begin to draw the contour of the lips. The upper lip is usually thinner, with sharper curves than the lower lip. Pay close attention to the Cupid's bow. That delicate line gives the lips their expressiveness. While drawing the contour, make sure not to press too hard on the pencil. Keep the line soft so you can adjust the shape as you go. Step 4. Shading the upper lip. The upper lip is usually in shadow because the light tends to come from above. I start shading it, gradually building the tone from the center outward. It's important to maintain smooth transitions between light and dark areas to make the lips look natural and three-dimensional. Step 5. Drawing the line where the lips meet. Now, I add the dark line where the lips meet. This line should not be too harsh or the lips will look cut off from the face. I use soft strokes and slightly blur the edges to create a more natural feel. Step 6. Adding texture and lip wrinkles. Lips are not perfectly smooth, they have subtle wrinkles that add realism. This is especially noticeable on the lower lip. I start with light strokes to show the texture and surface characteristics. These lines also help convey the volume. They move from the center where the lips meet outward. Step 7. Defining the Cupid's bow and drawing the chin. Let's go back to the Cupid's bow, making it clearer and adding shadows under the nose. These small details can give the lips more expressiveness and depth. Then, I gently draw the chin, creating soft shadow transitions and showing a light shadow under the lips on the chin. Step 8. Adding shadows and highlights. Now for the finishing touches. I add shadows under the lower lip to give it more volume. I also include soft highlights, small bright spots that give the lips a natural gloss and appearance. When drawing lips, it's important to consider their anatomy, shape, and light source. Practice is key to feeling the volume and texture. Don't be afraid to experiment with tones and lines to capture the softness of the skin and the unique features of your character's lips. I hope this video was helpful. Remember, lips are a crucial detail of the face that can convey emotions, and mastering their drawing will make your portraits much more expressive. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.